we were given a basic train. We were just basically given 1 day of training, like we used to they used to give for lead square, right?
Okay.
Based on different sales processes and all, and based on that we need to figure out this stuff.
Okay, let's just put that to a side. I'm just confused on you're only familiar with the you know the technicality prospect of Google Analytics and not the coding part, right?
Exactly.
Okay. So I think your first priority would be to, first, of course, get a familiar glance on Excel, and then followed by that, you could, of course, go into lesser invasive topics like Google Analytics, Facebook Analytics, and then, learn Tableau. You are, of course, familiar with Tableau, and you're currently doing some reports in it as well. So
No, no, no.
apart
I'm
from
not doing. I'll be very honest. I'm not doing. I have just purchased the course.
Okay, you could of course get in touch with me every week to make sure that we can of course get you some side projects to work on to make sure that you are familiar with the concepts, and of course you are able to apply the concepts that you learn on Udemy directly onto the projects that I am going to give you. Okay. And of course,
Right.
after each and every update, you can of course add that to your resume as well as LinkedIn to make sure that both the both the recruiters as well as the guys who's going to look into your profile may tell you as technically a sound person. So yeah, and apart from that, you have also told that you have experience using Lead Squared as well as you know data reports, kind of sales strategy. Yeah, that's pretty much what the update was from your end. Apart from that, you could of course make some radical changes in your interpersonal skills because it's a little too long for my taste. And you definitely don't need to update each and everything that you have in the interpersonal skills, man. Just that you need to of course add few priorities, and then based on the information or updates that you get from others, you could of course add on whatever is necessary or not. So instead of adding a whole lot of things which makes the resume a bit more cumbersome, you could of course add a little bit of things that have more number of importance. Less is also less but also important. You get the fact, right?
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
instead of adding all the networking, persuasion, negotiation, teamwork, you could of course write it as teamwork and greater knowledge in team management. You could of course club two similar characteristics together to make a
right,
one particular term where
right,
both of the skills are given equal importance.
right, right.
And apart from that, you know, most of the information is regarding Byju's. So instead of that, you could of course, if you take a look into my resume that I've sent you, it of
Yeah,
course says, cartograph, followed by that, what important things did I do in cartograph? Followed by that, Byju's, I didn't add Byju's. Apart from that, it would be Amazon. And what are all the important things that I did in Amazon? It should be short, concise, and clear to the fact. Instead of writing multiple sentences that doesn't give any much of an importance to your skills, you could of course write clear, concise statements where each and every part of the information is going to be super important for your task.
exactly.
And pretty much that's the only thing that I need to tell you on the resume. Apart from that, if you do have some uh, questions that needs to be asked from my end, of course, available to answer anytime. Do you have any doubts till now?
No, I don't have any doubts. Like, what should be my next, pathway? Like, what should
Yeah.
be my road that I need to follow? If you could please,
Um, yeah, I think most of your technical experience is still lacking. So I strongly suggest that you take up the Udemy course is a little bit more serious, and of course try on a little bit more on the technicality perspective. Sticking to Tableau or Google Analytics or something related to SQL, Python, Power BI, and of course there is a data warehousing thing called a Snowflake. You could of course take a look into that as well. So yeah, I would of course share you some links. These are pretty much free courses, so feel free to take a look into that. And have you ever heard of Google Sheets?
Google,
Google Sheets.
Google Sheets, yeah, spreadsheets,
Yeah, spreadsheet.
yeah.
There are some, small time activities that could be, updated from your end, designing a macro for it, or even writing an app script to import different data from a different spreadsheet to this spreadsheet. You can of course take availability of the free time that you have and do these kinds of supplementary projects which can of course attract the recruiters. And of course we could you please tell your ID? Sumanta Sengupta, right?
Yeah, Sumanta Sengupta. Sumanta Sengupta 1997 dot ss at the rate of gmail.com.
No, I'm asking your LinkedIn ID.
LinkedIn ID is Sumanta Sengupta.
Sumanta Sengupta. I'm able to find you. That's the I'm unable to see you, so that's the reason.
Should I send you an hi?
Yeah, could you please?
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it.
No. Just wait a minute. I just found it. Yeah.
So, like, in 2017, you were working in Byju's, I guess, right?
No. In 2019.
Acha. So now you are into Amazon thing. It's
No.
great to be
Yeah.
there, right?
No. I first worked in Amazon. I'm currently in Cartograph. It's a US-based agency where most of we of course take care of the entire North American frontier. Right from Colorado till Alaska.
Acha. So your main intense client is Amazon only, right?
Yep.
You are working only for the onboarded clients of Amazon, right? If I'm
Yep.
not wrong.
Yeah.
Right.
I've of course given you an endorsement on business analysis.
Thanks for giving me that endorsement, Ganesh Bhaiya.
No issues, man. You can of course toss me an endorsement as well on. You know, I'm just going to add leadership to my profile. Mentorship kind of a thing. I'll just send
Exactly.
you the endorsement thing. You could of course keep me posted.
This certification that you have sent me, data visualization using Tableau. So
Yeah.
this is from Great Learning Academy, right?
Yep. It's particularly, the particular fact about that is it's pretty much free, and
Okay,
you can of course take care of it anytime.
right. So
So
should I do
that's
it?
one.
I guess it will take hardly 2 days maximum.
Yeah, max to max 3 days. If you're going to take on the concepts too much, it's going to take 3 days. Otherwise, it's pretty much going to take only 2.5 days to 3 days. That's pretty much it.
So my first task is this. I'll complete this and update you. Then
Before that, I could of course send you one more thing. Come on. Yeah,
even
I've just sent you a message. Coaching and mentoring. Could you please give me an update on say,
LinkedIn.
yeah, just sent you. Could you please endorse that and get me back to make sure that yeah, let's talk about the senior consultant 11 months. You worked there for 11 months, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Your connection count is a little less. You know that, right?
Uh, I did respond to you.
No, no, no. Could you please endorse me on coaching and mentoring?
Acha. Okay.
If you go to the bottom, you can of course see there's, uh, you know,
Exactly. Yeah, I can see that.
you can of course endorse me in Tableau as well as coaching and mentoring to make sure that we can of course, based on the number of uh, accreditations that I get, I will be of course be able to help you in a lot of techniques. So that's the reason. That's the reason I'm just getting track of the endorsement facts.
Exactly. And Tableau, right?
Yeah, Tableau too.
Okay.
I'll just, I'm going to
Ah,
ask you
yeah,
for a,
endorsed.
yeah, okay. I'll ask you for a Samantha handbook. No. Yeah. Yours in caps, right?
Yeah.
I'll just, you could, of course, ask me for a recommendation, which would be quite helpful.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll ask it.
Okay.
I'll just go to your profile and then ask, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kindly make sure to update any certificates that you have during your tenurity to make sure that it of course catches a little bit of an eye.
Exactly, exactly. I'll feature those everything.
Sure.
I'll just ask for the recommendation. Yeah.
You're currently connected in your laptop, right?
Yeah, I'm currently connected in my laptop,
Okay.
but I'm browsing it from my phone.
Okay. Okay. No issues. kindly make sure to get your connection count a little bit higher.
Right, right. So I guess I have asked for a recommendation here.
Yeah, yeah, I get it. You haven't received any recommendation request. It says that I haven't received any recommendation request. No, I'm unable to give you anything. Could you please send me again?
Yeah, I'll send it again. Request a recommendation, right?
Ask for a recommendation. It says under recommendation, you could ask for a recommendation to whoever you need.
Right, right.
Apart from that, you could of course look into my connections tab, and of course connect with whoever you deem is quite helpful in your growth. For example, Rajamani Venkatesh, a general manager at Byju's. Similarly, there are a lot of people from all across the country. You could, of course, feel free to, connect to them, and of course, tell that I'm just a connection of Ganesh, and he is currently mentoring me, regarding analytics, and would like to get an update from you regarding any other skills. So you could just type a simple message like this, and of course, tag me in it to make sure that I'm aware of it. And feel free to get connected with whoever you deem is necessary in your growth, and we can get that accordingly.
So I have already sent you the message, and they are not allowing me to send for the another time.
Okay, I think there is something wrong. I'm unable to give you anything, so it's okay. I'll just make sure that once you complete your Tableau thing, I'll be able to give you recommendation regarding Tableau. So kindly, let me know once you have done that. And apart from that, I'm, giving you kind of a course plan, just to get started on whatever thing that you deem necessary. It's just that first, prioritize on getting you well versed on Excel, followed by that Tableau, and then the third part would be Google Spreadsheets or Google Sheets. The fourth would be to get you updated on SQL. Fifth and last would be to get you accredited on whatever Python or any other automation skills. This is pretty much the entire skill set that you need to become a business analyst or a data analyst. So I think these 5 skills would of course help you, in getting into any e-commerce facility, be it Amazon, be it Byju's, be it Myntra, whatever things that's currently available under the e-commerce category, you can of course get started on it.
Like
So
ideally, how long should it take to complete all this?
it differs from person to person, Bhaiya. It's just that based on the amount of technicality and amount of knowledge that you have on it, it should be pretty much be 6 to 8 weeks max to max. Bro, you there?